Hey guys, so today I want to let you in on a little secret of mine. Most of the videos that I've done or posted are actually scripted and written out on this secret weapon of mine right here, this teleprompter. That's right, I've been using this for the majority of my videos and it's personally helped me to stay on point. And I'm actually using it right now. I bought this one last year and I saw a lot of really great reviews for this particular brand by Parrot Teleprompter. When I first started doing videos, I was just trying to wing it and it was taking me forever to just get one good take or to even edit it later on in post. It was getting really frustrating. So I looked into getting a teleprompter and I didn't even know they made them for DSLR and mirrorless cameras. And this particular one comes with ring adapters so you can fit it into whatever filter size thread you have on your lens. All you do is write out your script. You can use your computer, you can use your phone, and then just open up the teleprompter app and copy and paste your script right onto it and you're ready to roll. So this one also came with a remote, but I don't really use it, but I think it's a good addition to have. You can stop, play, rewind, forward, all that stuff. And by the way, I am not affiliated or sponsored by Parrot. I'm just sharing what I'm using at the moment. There's no shame in using a teleprompter. I think you're going to find that most YouTubers use one, especially when they're reading all these detailed specs. They don't want to risk putting out wrong information or leaving anything out. I think at first, when I first started using this, it took me a while to get used to it. But the more I do it, the more comfortable I am with it. And I believe this particular teleprompter was around $125, give or take. But it really was worth it. I feel like my videos are a lot quicker to do and easier to edit. One tip I can give you is once you are ready to record, do a couple of read-throughs and a couple of takes first so you can make any adjustments as you go. And make it seem like you're not reading out of a teleprompter. You want to make your videos have like a very smooth flow to it and make it sound like how you would normally talk, you know? So anyways, that's my big secret, and now you know, and I hope you learned something today. If so, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. Later.